Hey everybody, this is going to be a little bit different kind of video today, definitely on a different day of the week. This is about DPReview getting canceled by Amazon. I'm not going to go into all the issues about it. The issues were really covered well by Tony Northrup and Alex Kilby on their channels. I would highly suggest looking at their videos. They did a great job in talking about the what and the why and the how of what's going on. For me, I have a few thoughts about this happening, and I definitely want this to be a discussion with you in the comments as well. DPReview for me has been an authoritative source of information. Whenever I looked at a piece of equipment, I really didn't want to speak about it until I looked at DPReview's information. They've been around for 25 years. They've kind of set the bar for reviewing all the equipment and in a way that you could count on. That's really important. That's going to be a loss to me and probably to you as well. But one thing I want to bring up that also is kind of a side issue to this that I think is super important is that this is a digital property that at the whim of the owner is going to be gone. And I want to remind you that everything digital is at the whim of someone else. The very platform I am speaking on is totally not in my control. I am at YouTube's whim as to whether this platform continues. I have no reason to think they'll end it, but they could. It's for any reason. It could be for something they wanted to do or an outside force made them. I've said this before in several of my videos, and I think it bears repeating given this event, that you don't own anything digital. I mean websites, I mean cloud storage, I mean images on your local storage, because if the manufacturers decide to stop making the storage medium, to change the format of the storage medium, the software you use, you either have to comply or lose your digital properties. That right there is the number one reason that in my real life, I am a portrait photographer who creates physical portraits, because you can own physical things. I still argue you cannot own digital things. And DPReview being closed down like this is a huge reminder to all of us in this community that you really have to remember digital is a shared community and owned by someone else medium. That's my take on it. Again, I kind of want to hear what you guys have to say, because I think this is a loss to all of us. And let's talk about it. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you as always. Until the next video, take care.